You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these word referring to a type of writing in an alphabet, Irish in origin? So there are indeed different pronunciations for it, so that's why you may be confused and looking at which one is the right one. Well, in Ireland, in Irish, this is referred to as Ogham, Ogham. Yes, just replace the GH with a W and the A with a schwa sound, sound, Ogham, alright? That's easy. Now, some people say it as Ogham, yeah, and that is actually correct, because in English, in the English language, it is accepted that the pronunciation is as Ogham. Now, in American English, in the US, they say it with a more open R sound, Ogham. So you will hear that as well. Ogham or Ogham exists as well, and in all the alphabets and all ways of saying this word and of writing it, it's actually correct to refer to it with a hard G. Ogham is actually correct also in Old Irish. So that's why I think the English has adopted that pronunciation, Ogham. But in today's Ireland, it's referred to as Ogham. Anyhow, this just to say that all those pronunciations are correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.